Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave! I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Get unready with me, botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have one eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup milk. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all of this off. I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Tis time to take this off again. Now, is this a good makeup? No. You can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow. That kind of helps me see, though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself, though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow. Like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh, there's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Guess what, brothers? It's time to take this off again. I honestly have no idea why you guys like these so much. Now, I can't take all the teeth out individually because it's coming off entirely, so I'm just gonna do a nice slow video of me taking this whole thing off. Isn't it beautiful? Tiny one. Now we're just gonna take everything off. Beautiful, right? All done. I'm gonna go drink some water because I'm very dehydrated. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding. We got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. All right, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All Alright, let's get this nose off. Look at this! Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.